everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you another quick tutorial using only Rosalind gel polishes. So all the details of the gel polish will be in the description box, including the price and also the shade number if I can find it. So the first thing first is to basically create a single layered base coat or base for your gel nails. So as we're doing a gray nail, it's better that you create a little base so that you can only get a perfect gradient look just with one coat or two coats maximum. But if you don't do that, then it's gonna be really transparent, so it's better if you just go for one coat before you do the gray nail. Next thing is to get a makeup sponge, which will be used to creating the gray nail, and then use the two shades. Here I'm using the bright pink, which is the glow in the dark, and then the light pink, which is shade number 40. And I bought this shade number 40 or the whole set with this pink gel polishes from Amazon. So I will try to leave the link in description box so that you can easily get them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tap, and after that I'm just gonna cure it for like 60 seconds, and I'm just gonna repeat the same process for all the nails except the middle fingernail, which is gonna have a different design. And that one just gonna have 2 coats of the light pink shade gel polish. Next thing is to use the black gel polish. Here I'm using the Rosalind one, and then I'm using the cat eye gel polish. This one is basically a silvered one. Another cat eye gel polish, this one double shady, so it's gonna give you a shade of green and kind of purpley shade. And as there's a cat eye gel polish, you definitely need a magnetic stick, otherwise they're not gonna work. And I'm using the black gel polish just to create base for the cat eye gel polish, because as you know, the cat eye gel polish just look better on dark shade, and they're not gonna look good if I just use them on the pink shade. So I'm just gonna create the base, just a basic swirl, and then I'm just gonna cure it. And after that I'm gonna go for the bright pink gel polish so that I can actually divide the two different cat eye gel polishes. And I'm just gonna create another swirl between them, and then again I'm gonna go for the black shade. As you know, you definitely need to go for a black shade or a darker shade. If you don't have any black shade, just go for a darker one, but it's preferably should be dark. If you're going for a light one, you can't see actually that good effect of the cat eye gel polish as much as on the dark colors, so I would definitely recommend you to go for dark shades. I'm just gonna put the once I cure them, I'm just gonna put a single coat of the cat eye gel polish on the swirl, on the kind of twisted lines you can say, and then I'm just gonna use the magnetic stick to put the particles on one side. Once you use the cat eye gel polish on one, please cure it, because if you don't cure it, it's gonna start going back to the original position. So even if you create any design, it's just gonna go back on the original position, so it's basically gonna be a waste of time. So use the cat eye gel polish, use the magnetic, and then cure it. That's the best way to do it, otherwise your design just gonna get ruined. You can get the magnetic stick from the official website of Rosalind as well. They got plenty of them, otherwise you can buy from any other online shop. For the ring fingernail, I'm just creating a side French tip, and I'm using the same black shade that I used previously. I just created the boundaries, and then I'm using the brush directly. And next to the black side French tip, I'm using the bright pink shade to create a single line. That's just gonna give you kind of better coverage or better design. And then I'm just gonna put in the rose in the middle of the swirls on the middle fingernail. The last thing is to basically use the glitter gel polish to create the disperse effect. So you're basically putting the glitters on the tip of the nail, and then you're just gonna use the makeup sponge, a clean one, to disperse them. So this is the final look of the gel polish or the nail set, and I hope you liked it. It's really easy to create. If you don't have the rose or you can't access to it, you can basically leave it as it is. And here I use the top coat also from Rosalind. It's a mini top coat, so you can actually go for it. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.